afternoon, photo play paper peeps. I'm so excited to share with you my newest mini album using Photo Play's Trick or Treat by Mari Koegelenberg. I absolutely love this collection and I'm going to tell you how much I love it. Okay, so I basically used all of it and I have nothing left over but scraps. So if you want to make this album, you will need the 12 by 12 collection kit, and it comes with the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I also used the die cuts and the polymer stamps. Okay, so I just can't wait to get more of this. Oh, and for the stickers, okay, I only have 3 left over, and then some of the stars. Okay, so let's get into this little album. First of all, let me give you the measurements. It is 9 inches long, and then the spine is 2.5 inches wide. And then this is going to be 4 inches. So, I got the googly dots, or the googly eyes, from the Dollar Tree, and these charms are from my stash right here, as well as the ribbons. And then this little chain right here that has like a little crystal ball, just a little charm, a witch's broom, a palmistry hand, and a little haunted house. But let's get into this. So first of all, I used a little doorknob here, and then I just basically used some of the clasps from my jewelry stuff. So let's get into this. So this is from the sticker sheet, and with these, the boo and the moon, I just popped it up on some pop dots. These are some little wooden witches legs that I painted, added a little bit of glitter on there, and then popped it up with a witch sticker hat. And I just love the little googly eyes on here, making it look kind of spooky. Here's some more of the stickers from the sticker sheet. I love these little ghosts. And then you have October 31st. And then I love this sticker, Happy Halloween. And then I actually added the Boo to You sticker on top of that sticker. I thought that was kind of cute. And then we have our little pumpkin sticker. So let's get on the inside of this little album. So first of all, it's going to start off with a little waterfall. And again, I just used some black jute and a sticker from the collection and popped it up with a pop dot. So this is magnetic, and it opens up and you have lots of little ephemera cards in here and lots of photo space. I just think this turned out so cute. I really love this paper collection. Just love these little spiders. They're so adorable. I love the Boo crew, so can't wait to start adding my photos in here. Right here we have a little pocket that holds one of the ephemera cards, and I did trim this down a little bit. I thought this was so cute where it says "You're so corny," and then I just popped up some of the stickers that were the little corn candy. And then we have a little tag right here, and then you can add a photo here as well. Also, each one of these pages have a mat. And what I did here is since I ran out of paper, I just used some paper bag cardstock is what I call it, or craft cardstock. And then I stamped here with the stamps. The only stamp that is not in this collection is this little dotted line here. I thought it was really cute and thought it kind of added on to here. And then of course the spider, I just used some glitter, and I don't know if you can see it, but I even added little yellow dots for his eyes. So anyway, I really had a lot of fun with this collection. It is so adorable. And anyway, lots of fun. Right here we have, it's like a trifold. So you can put photos here, and then here, and as well as here. And so basically there are 2-page designs. There's a pocket page along with a trifold, and then there's also another pocket page. Here we have another ephemera card, lots of the candy stickers, and then also I made this little pull out where you can add more photos on here. Just love this collection. Isn't that so cute? And then we have another pull out. And this time I used the Boo with the ghosts on that one. And let me stick this back in here. Okay. And then we have a belly band page. So that is the two styles of the pages that are in here. And I just kind of mimicked it along the whole thing. So this is going to be a pretty easy album to make. It won't take you very long. And I think it comes out really cute. So we have another pull-out tag. And I believe this was like some buttons from the Dollar Tree last year for Halloween. So I bet you they've already got them in now because I saw them loading the Halloween stuff today. So I was so excited about that. I love this Happy Haunting. I made it where you could tuck the photo underneath here if you'd like. And then here, lots and lots of stickers in this whole collection. Gimme Candy. Love, love, love. Boo down here. So stinking cute. Again, another pull out, and this one's a scary cute with the little pumpkins. And then here's one of the die cuts, and I just added a little button on here, popped up a sticker again with the little bat that says Eek. I painted again some of my wooden embellishments that were in my stash. Again, another tag pocket. So that's really cute. Again, I popped up my little cat here, and I made it where you could slide your photo on underneath, and then once you get your photo down there, you can go ahead and remove the backing to this little foam dot. And then here, this slides underneath there. So again, we have another tag right here that pulls out. Okay, so another pocket page. Again, same thing, where you can hold your photo under there. Another pull out. This time I just used the stars. Love, love, love this collection. Again, I used some of my washi tape on here, and I'll tell you what happened. Up here I made a little boo-boo and I accidentally ripped some of the paper, and so this is where your washi tape comes in handy. You can just hide that. Again, I have like another little wooden ghost that I painted. We have another tag here. Again, I did some more of the stamping. Love, love, love this. And foam dots again, holding the spooky up. Love this bat snot, pick your poison. Scary. Love, love, love. And then this one I did not, oh no, this one does have a magnet. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so then we have more of the stickers from the sticker sheet. Again, I just popped this one up, backed it up with some cardstock and cut around it. Love, love this. We have another pull out. And this is the last one, and this is where I did Batty for You and have little bats on there. And then on the final page, it's another pocket tag holder. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Okay, and then with the bat stickers, I decided to glue on some little googly eyes again. I just love this whole little project, and I can't wait to get some more of this paper. So I'm just going to put that underneath there. And then I have another pop-up with a sticker. And this one actually I stick down. And that's the end of this. I hope you all like how this turned out. And the video is up next. So have a wonderful and fabulous day, y'all. And don't forget that the written tutorial will be up very soon. Thank you. Bye.